Whether starting a new facility or expanding an existing one, if you invest in South Carolina is ready to invest in you. We are readySC. readySC will be your partner. We will help recruit your workforce, connect you with South Carolinians looking for great careers, and train for necessary skills. We are ready to work with you to meet company goals and accelerate your startup. We have over 60 years of workforce training experience, working with companies from around the world. We are ready for your technology with our cutting-edge training solutions. We are ready to work with your industry, automotive, aerospace, advanced manufacturing, information technology, and many more. We are ready to train for relevant skill sets and develop company-specific instruction customized to fit your needs. readySC's unique approach begins with discovery of processes and skills. We work with you to design curriculum, and we offer delivery options to meet your needs and timeframes. We customize classroom training and emphasize hands-on experience. We are ready to enhance baseline skills like safety, quality, and teamwork. We immerse trainees in company culture. We use sophisticated training methods. We are ready to film realistic job previews and create simulations of your processes to prepare employees for real work environments, reduce employee turnover, and increase production. For large companies and small companies, we are ready to help recruit and train the workforce you need. We are readySC.